back again, guys. Another video. We're going to install a kit of 4x4 Offroad 4x4 today for my Hilux IFS front torsion bar, front end, steering damper too, tough dog, shackle kits in there, leaf springs. I think these are costing 250s. You can tell by spring pack, heavies on the bottom. Definitely big helpers. Quite flexy on the top. It's high flex, definitely. 5 leaf, probably like 5-6 mil springs. The current going springs at the moment are. Okay. He's measuring that for me. We got these are probably 8-10 mil, and then ones over there are probably 6 mil. These are 8 packs. These might be costing 500s or 750s GVM upgrade, because they did have a higher on it, so the springs were ridiculously stiff as fuck. It has no shocks left in it. That is how stiff this car is. Besides that, we've got 33s on it. A Hilux 33 10.5Rs, negative 22s. They do scrub on the back here, which is unfortunate, but we can wind the torsion bars up because it's sitting quite low on the bump stops, to be honest. Which is, yeah, give it all that. It's about an inch from there, inch from top, inch from bottom. Go up a bit, gives me a bit more clearance. You can also put the caster forward a bit on the wheel. I think that's pretty max forward anyway, or maybe drop the camber in on the front, drop the caster in, pull the wheel forward a little bit more. Otherwise we definitely have to go up, or we go 32s, 1 or 2. So that's what we're going to try today. I'm definitely don't feel like cutting guards on a Hilux. That it's not going to see that much off-road, but maybe right. Well, good. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Before and afters we will, but definitely there are no shocks left in this. The bush, the shock models will be the bush, because there's no bush. That's how fucked they are. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully we get it sorted. Peace out, chill. Like, subscribe. Nah, this is torsion bar on the front. Bar. Yeah. Okay. Alright, cheers out guys, see you next time.